Hello, good morning. My name is Kyoko from Tokyo, Japan. I'm a craftsman, a leather good craftsman. Today, I'm going to explain my leather goods for dog. Like this, this is hand stitched and called vegetable tanned leather. I dye myself. This is camel. This is Bordeaux, and this is a kind of sky blue, a little bit unique and like a kind of devil design. Very cute. I think this is very cute. Uh, if you are interested in my goods, send DM at Instagram. Um, and let me know what country you live in. I'll I'll let you know the price and the airmail fee. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Have a nice day to you.